I have got straight down to it, so I'll give a quick overview of Toca. Toca was started in 2018. Well, it was actually 2016. In its current format, it's 2018. It was actually built to solve that problem space. Toca is a no-code developer platform. Its aim is to enable people to build systems and solutions quicker and faster. We are seeing in the legal sector, especially, but actually in all sectors, we actually have our main base in NHS at the moment, but we're actually seeing this problem, I think Sarah just mentioned it, of actually having systems being able to talk to each other and data flowing around those systems. This is driven by M&As that take place. They all get, then you start off with one system, then got 3 or 4 other systems. You need them to talk if you're going to provide a great customer service to your clients. You can rip out and start again, and in some cases that's the best thing to do, but actually there is another way, and that is what we call the Toca way. It enables you to build that digital wrapper around your existing systems, build connectors, the APIs that we talked about before, but because it's no code, once you build once, your developers can use many. So what we're actually looking at here is reducing development time within your firms and around your projects you want to deliver. What we're actually seeing as well within our world is in innovation. Law firms are actually looking at Toca to actually build products and services quickly, connecting it with existing systems faster, so they can actually iterate with the client on solutions they want to provide. And again, it goes back to that point of globally, there's a shortage of developers out there. We've all talked about talent. How do we grow talent? How do we get more talent? Well, actually, one of the other things we can do is actually make our talent work more efficiently. And that's what Toca is built for. I read a stat the other day that I think on Reed alone, there's 30,000 developer jobs in the UK that aren't going fulfilled. And if you think that, if you can imagine that we're in a competitive global environment, you know, actually getting hold of developers that you want to use and that you want to keep is, if you're giving them stacks and stacks of projects that they're suddenly saying, I can't deliver this is too stressful, they'll move, because it's their market at the moment. Where people that are using Toca for us, and I'll give some examples of what they've done, they're actually using it to enable to keep talent within their business, especially within the coding world. So how have they used Toca? So real simple things at the beginning. We started out building an online digital customer pathway to onboard customers. Built a front-end app, because I should explain, I suppose. Within Toca, we actually have a toolkit of systems. So you can automate existing legacy systems, you can build APIs for deep integration, you can build no-code apps, and you can do analytics. So it enables you, it gives your developers all the tools they need to actually review whole processes and actually build a better process. So going back to the client portal, we built a beautiful client portal. The customer filled in the details through APIs that linked into the KYC checks. They all ran through, and conflict checks. While that's running through, because that does take a bit of time, we actually then enabled the customer to book an appointment of the type of lawyer they wanted within to have that initial consultation with. KYC came back and checked and gave them a review saying pass, fail or review. If it was reviewed, there was then another portal that the compliance team could review and check and then go back to that customer. If it passed, then they went into a payment portal. Very simple. You're thinking, yes, we can all do that. Really easy. Their development team were looking at 12 weeks effort time. It was built in 4 days with Toca. So the speed to market that you can get with a platform that is no code like Toca is what a lot of customers are looking at. Where we are used in the PI, personal injury sector, and we're also used within, obviously, around employment law, family law, etc. I suppose the third point that we're getting used for is actually to join data pot dots together so that you're actually then getting a view. So if somebody's going through conveyancing, you know then that you can pass on to them to actually say, well, maybe your marketing team to start looking at will. So we're joining those dots together.